I believe life is an intelligent thing, that things are not random. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. And like any great relationship, it just gets better and better as the years roll on. We made the buttons on the screen look so good, you'll want to click them. Our goal is to make the best devices in the world, not to be the biggest. Older people sit down and ask, "What is it?" But the boy asks, "What can I do with it?" I didn't see it then, but it turned out that getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have ever happened to me. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again, less sure about everything. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. If you're gonna make connections which are innovative, you have to not have the same bag of experiences as everyone else does. As individuals, people are inherently good. I have a somewhat more pessimistic view of people in groups, and I remain extremely concerned when I see what's happening in our country, which is in many ways the luckiest place in the world. We don't seem to be excited about making our country a better place for our kids. The overall point is that new technology will not necessarily replace old technology, but it will date it. By definition, eventually it will replace it. But it's like people who had black and white TVs when color came out. They eventually decided whether or not the new technology was worth the investment. For you to sleep well at night, the aesthetic, the quality has to be carried all the way through. We hire people who want to make the best things in the world. I have a great respect for incremental improvement, and I've done that sort of thing in my life. But I've always been attracted to the more revolutionary changes. I don't know why. Because they are harder, they are much more stressful emotionally, and you usually go through a period where everybody tells you that you've completely failed. The reason that Apple is able to create products like the iPad is because we've always tried to be at the intersection of technology and the liberal arts. And it comes from saying no to 1,000 things to make sure we don't get on the wrong track or try to do too much. We're always thinking about new markets we could enter, but it's only by saying no that you can concentrate on the things that are really important. Design is the fundamental soul of a man's creation that ends up expressing itself in successive outer layers of the product or service. The iMac is not just the color or translucence or the shape of the sail. The essence of the iMac is to be the finest possible consumer computer in which each element plays together. My model for business is the Beatles. They were four guys that kept each other's negative tendencies in check. They balanced each other, and the total was greater than sum of the parts. When you're young, you look at television and think, there's a conspiracy. The networks have conspired to dumb us down. But when you get a little older, you realize that's not true. The networks are in business to give people exactly what they want. I think money is a wonderful thing because it enables you to do things. It enables you to invest in ideas that don't have a short-term payback.